Alright, so this is my second payout with Lucid funding. Had a really good week of trading, and I'm going to now withdraw 5,920 US across all these accounts. That's about 8,800 roughly AUD, so almost 9 grand from a week trading into the bank account. So I'm pretty happy about that. And it also gives me a nice buffer for next week to continue to trade, to take some more payouts. If we look at the actual accounts in terms of how they went, this is essentially the trading week. So I had a really good day on Monday. Gold ranged all week, so we essentially was trapped in a range. So took advantage of that when I realized it was happening, and then had a really good day on Friday. We actually broke out and started trending. So I caught a nice bit of that trend. So 5 straight days, 5 winning days. And we can take some payouts now. Friday, I think it was Thursday actually, I had a bit of an issue with lot sizes. My terminal set it to way too big, and I put myself in a bit of a drawdown of about 400 and had to dig myself out of that. Monday I was in a bit of a drawdown as well, of around the same, for maybe 500. So Monday and Thursday were probably the main difficult days. Everything else was pretty straightforward. Friday was good. Friday we actually broke out and had a trending move, so I could sort of lean on that, take advantage of that, and that bumped up how much I could withdraw. So so I'm pretty happy. Second payout with Lucid, you can see there, already took some payouts here, about 2.5k AUD. That hit my account at the start of February, so this will be my second payout for February, and this will be about 8,800. So all in all, over 10k for the month of February so far, withdrawing from Lucid. So I'm pretty happy with how it's working, and I got a nice cushion across these 5 funded accounts to basically see if we can take some more money out next week, see how trading goes. I did inadvertently resubscribe to a TopStep account, which I didn't realize. I thought I'd cancelled it. So I've got one evaluation with TopStep, which I've paid for it. So I'll trade that next week as well, see if I can try and get that passed. But otherwise, I'm happy. I've still got the funded accounts, 250k in funding. Got a nice buffer now as well. So all of the accounts are about 1,100, 1,200 in drawdowns. That gives me plenty of room. Still trading small to build that back up, and then we'll see if we can take, my goal is to just take one more payout this month. So even in the next week or two, if I take out one more payout, even at a minimum amount of 500 per account, that's still going to be close to 4k, which would put me up 13,000, 14,000 for the month, which would be crazy. But anyway, so far so good, and see what next week brings.